Welcome back. In this video, we discuss the Eloquent model class and ORM. The Eloquent model class is a parent class. When we create a model class through the artisan command, Laravel automatically creates a child model class that extends the parent model class. Here, tag is the model class and model is its parent class. You can also see the model link at the top of the child model class. It shows that the child model class inherited from the parent model class. The Elegant model class is an abstract layer class. It contains static and non-static methods that are inherited by every child model class created by the user through the artisan commands such as tag, category, user, or any other model. The child model class interacts with the controller class. When a controller method sends a request to the child model class uses the static and non-static method of Elegant model class according to the requirement to perform database operation. The child model class stores or retrieve information from the database and logically provide the required data to the controller method. The entire process in which child model class completes the controller request by using the static and non-static method or its parent model class to perform database operation is known as ORM, stand for Object Relational Mapper. ORM is an alternative to writing raw SQL queries. It handles RDML, data manipulation language operations, and make complex database queries easy to write and manage. Let we can understand this with a simple example. Here we use the raw SQL query select from categories to display all the data from the categories tables. In the same way, we can use the child model class to display all the data from the categories table. Write category, then call the parent model class static method all. Here category is the child model class and all is the static method inherited from the parent model class. This method displays all the data from the categories table just like the raw SQL query. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we will start CRUD operations in the controller. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment and share it with others. Thank you.